How to fix your Valorant cannot launch game. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and restart your PC, restart your computer, and try launching Valorant again. This fixes temporary glitches and background conflicts as well. If that is not the case, you want to simply go ahead and try launching it as an administrator. Again, if that doesn't work, you want to simply go ahead and check your system requirement. Make sure that your PC meets the minimum system requirement. Low-end PCs may struggle to launch the game. If you haven't already updated your Windows, simply go ahead and update and restart your PC afterwards, which should go ahead and fix your problem. Always make sure that your graphics drivers are also up to date and close any background application. You can also disable in-game overlays from Discord, Nvidia, Xbox Game Bar, and other apps. And if nothing works, then you might have no other option but to uninstall and reinstall Valorant itself. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.